as you can tell by the first like 2 minutes, it has been stupid raining. Like, everything's wet, even the skateboard's wet. And this is the driest place I could find. I haven't got to skate in a week. It's gonna be terrible. That was a great line until there. I wonder if you can like grind on wood. Wow. That's like the scariest trick I've ever done in my life. This one looks sturdy. Let's see if we can ollie over this. So, I got kicked out. I didn't get kicked out, but I did. Dang it! This old guy with his kids, he was like, man, can you leave? I was packing up my stuff as he said it. I'm like, I don't want to miss a tennis game. And it was a good session. I got a couple good tricks in. I'm happy. So right now I'm going to go to another spot that I know I won't get kicked out of, but it's pretty rough. It's very cinematic, but I have to ride a cruiser board, so don't expect any double varial kickflip, whatever. I don't do any of those anyways. Let's find out why. I'm gonna try to skateboard like this all the way down. I told you it's been raining like crazy, but I didn't think it rained this much. What? I should have brought my beater board. I would have rode through this. Look at this guy. He's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta figure out how to get over there. So if you did not know, there was grass between here and there. Okay, it wouldn't focus. That's the new park range. I don't have any fun whatsoever. So it is morning. New day, new memory card, new battery. This is an epilogue to yesterday's episode. Sounded cool. So I'm going over to the dam to see how bad it is, because yesterday was terrible. I couldn't even get to it. Yeah, I'm not going that way. So if you ever find yourself skateboarding on the road, remember, ride in the opposite lane of traffic. So if the car comes, just pull off to the side and stop. You don't have to worry about looking behind you all the time. You just look forward. Wear a helmet, kids. Wear a helmet. If you saw my last vlog, I kayaked in here, and it was pretty smooth. It wasn't too bad. Here's the trail that I took the kayaks down and almost spilled, if you don't remember. That's that thing I had to go over. The whole place is just full. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that button.